Hi, today we will see the difference between map and for each method in JavaScript. These are the one of the two most commonly used methods in JavaScript. Whenever we need to iterate over the array and perform some function on each element in array, in that time we use a map or a for each. So let's see the difference. So one of the most important difference between the for each and map is the way it iterates over each element in array. Map returns the new array, whereas the for each method returns only undefined. It does not return any new array. So this is the most important difference. Whenever we just need to iterate over the array and perform some operation, we don't need any new array. In that case, we should use for each method. And whenever we want to create one new array from the existing array, in that case, we have to use the map method. So let's see some examples. Let's see the difference between map method and for each method. So I have created one array. So I will just iterate over that array and do some functionality on that. So let's suppose it's new array, and I am iterating over that array dot using the map method. So as I will pass the iterating value, I will use the arrow function, and I will just take that value and multiply it with the 2. So I will get the new resulting array. So I will just print that array over array, and just new array. Okay, so I just created a simple normal application. I will run that. And to open this option command I, it will open the command prompt. On Windows you can just press the F12. So as we can see here, these are the two different array. This is the original array 2 3 4 5 6, and this is the new array which is written by map method. So now let's check the replace it with the for each method. So whenever I save this, it will automatically rerun this. So now we can see here, as old array is as it is, and when new array is, it's returning the undefined. So this is one of the major difference in map and for each method.